Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Technical Tuesday with your coach Promich from this side. So today we are going to be talking about a muscle group which a lot of beginners are intimidated with, to say the least, which is a matter of fact because I'm talking about the legs here. So the legs is one of those muscle groups which we all struggle with initially. But as you progress in your lifting journey, you are definitely going to realize its importance, like I did myself, and why you and every one of us should be training it thoroughly. So today basically we are going to be addressing one such exercise which not only targets the quadriceps but also your glutes and hamstrings equally well. And not only that, but it also helps you in your mobility, flexibility and proprioception skills. It's an all-round package and you should definitely incorporate it in your normal leg routine alongside typical squats, leg presses and lunges. We are also going to be showing you 3 different variations to this exercise which you can utilize for your calisthenics development, your strength development or hypertrophy development, as well as your power development. So without further delay guys, let's get straight down into the details.
The most basic and plain Jane version of the Bulgarian split squat that you can do is with your own body weight. So as you guys can see on the video, all you have to do is keep one of your legs on an elevated surface, preferably at least till the height of your knees, and then bring the other leg forward to about a position where the leg is at a 90-degree or further angle when you are going all the way down. Make sure you get comfortable in the position first before attempting the Bulgarian split squat. So now once you start with the movement, make sure to go all the way down as much as possible till you are at least parallel to the ground or beyond that. After doing a few repetitions of it, you will definitely feel your quadriceps working, as well as you will be getting a stretch on the other side, and along with that, if applied properly and if placed the feet at the specified angles, then you will also notice a stress coming on the glutes as well as the hamstrings. So next up we move on to a more advanced variation of the bodyweight Bulgarian split squat, which happens to be the plyometric Bulgarian split squat. So whichever leg is being forward, you have to generate the force from the ground up, jump high enough so that you can get a clap from underneath your thighs, and then land softly and safely. One pro tip here is that when you are landing, just make sure that the position of your legs stays intact. Otherwise, if it keeps on changing, slowly but steadily you will keep on losing your balance. One of the most advanced variations of the Bulgarian split squat that you guys can do is adding load to it. That is adding a weight. So as you guys can see on the video, I'm holding a 15 kg dumbbell on one arm, preferably the arm opposite to the leg that I'm doing the exercise on, and going down slowly and steadily while maintaining the balance. So the weight not only adds a lot of overload to this exercise, but also adds a stability factor which further enhances the dynamism of this very exercise.
So as you guys witnessed in the video, you don't require a lot of props or a lot of weights unlike the squat and the leg presses in order to do a Bulgarian split squat. You can literally do it anywhere and everywhere. Guys, hold up. Don't let your imaginations run this wild. What I meant when I said anywhere and everywhere was something that is approachable and practical in your case. Having said that, if you guys found this video helpful in any sort of way, please feel free to share it with your friends and add some value to their workout life. This is your coach Promich signing off for the week. See you all again next week with another cool video.